A PCBA's day in 3 minutes. Step 1. ESD protection. Everything is traceable. Lot, WO, time. Material prep, reels, labels, staging. Changeover. One wrong reel equals batch risk. Paste plus stencil. Joint start here. Prep done. Now, speed and precision. Printing. Paste deposited on pads. First article check. Verify before full run. Pick and place. High speed, level accuracy. Vision alignment. Align, then place. Reflow. The profile defines solder quality. AOI. Checks placement and polarity. THT insertion. Through-hole parts go in. Wave solder. Soldering all pins in seconds. Post-wave. Trim and visual check. Next, AOI plus test plus shipping. Solder joints formed. Now we verify. Inspection, visual check and sampling. Test, ICT-FCT validates electrical functions. Logged in MES, traceable by serial number. Moisture-proof packing shipment.